What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm gonna quickly show you how to add your record button here so you can actually screen record directly from the control center on your iPhone. It's a shortcut, so every time you want to record you just need to bring down the control center, tap on record, and record will start in no time. Real quick, you'll be recording your screen in no time by having the shortcut here under control center. Now let me quickly just remove it to show it to you step by step. I've removed it, and right now I do not have the record button in here, but we'll be adding it together here in this video. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I do cover a lot of tech hacks and tutorials, so if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. It really helps me out. Now, first things first, we just need to bring down the control center. We need to press and hold down here, and then we'll be able to see 8 spaces left. In my case, you may be having less spaces or more spaces, but we can feel this with a control. So essentially what we're gonna do is tap here on add the control, and next up we have a bunch of options in here of controls. We can add, for example, a magnifier, an alarm, a voice memo, dark mode, switch to turn it on or off, flashlight, translation, and a lot more. Now what we're gonna do is simply search for screen recording, which is right here, tap once on it, and you're good to go. It's already here. Simply swipe it up and you're good to go. You can now simply tap on screen record and your screen will start recording itself in no time. This is how easy it is. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.